Hi, today let's make tasty high protein Greek chicken rice ball. First, let's start making a salad. In a bowl, let's add in some chopped onions. Next, I'll be adding in some chopped cucumber. Next, I'll be adding in some chopped tomatoes as well. Here, you can play around the veggies. You can add in the veggies of your choice, like you can add in cabbage, lettuce, completely up to your choice. Now, I'm adding in some feta cheese as well. You can add in paneer as well. Next, I'm adding in some lemon juice. Then, I'll add in, season it up with some coriander leaves, and then I'll add in some salt and pepper powder and give it a good mix. Salt you can add as per the taste, and again seasonings, if you want to add something else you can add any other types of seasoning. As I've added in salt and pepper, now give it a good mix, and that's it. A simple salad is ready. Now our salad is ready. Let's keep it aside. Now let's start making the high protein Greek yogurt. Now in a bowl you need to add in a yogurt and then whisk it really very well to get that smooth silky texture. Otherwise it will be that lumpy. To get that smooth and silky texture you need to beat it really very well. Now our yogurt is ready. Next I'm adding in some crushed garlic. Here as well, if you want to add in anything extra to your yogurt you can add it. Now once you add the crushed garlic, here I'm adding in dried dill leaves. If you have the fresh one, please go ahead and add it. Here I don't get it, so I've added in dried leaves. I've added in salt and give it a good mix, and that's it. Now our high protein yogurt is ready. We have made our salad, we have made our dressings. That's it. Now these two things are ready. Now let's start marinating a chicken. Now you need to take clean and washed chicken. You can take a complete chicken breast or you can cut chicken breast into strips like this. Now let's start marinating it. Now very simple basic marination you can do. Again here you can add in the marination or the seasonings of your choice. I've added in salt to taste. Now next I'm adding in some turmeric powder. I'll be adding in some ginger garlic paste as well. Next I'm adding in some pepper powder. And then what I'll be doing is you can either add in Kashmiri chili powder. Here I'm adding in paprika powder. Once you add that, next what I'm doing is squeezing in some lemon juice as well, and I'm adding in some oregano, and then give it a good mix. Now you can make this chicken marinade if you're doing a meal prep a week before and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want to you can make it. Otherwise just 15 to 20 minutes before that if you marinate, or overnight, completely up to your choice. If you make this marinade and keep your salads and high protein yogurt, it'll be very quickly done. So I've marinated the chicken and that's it. Next what you do is completely up to your choice. You can either use your air fryer or you can pan fry it. Completely your choice. You don't have to tell that I don't have a air fryer so I can't make it. Please go ahead and make this on the pan as well. So I'm placing the chicken. Now I'll cook the chicken at 180 degree for around 15 to 20 minutes, and that's it. Our super juicy tender chickens are ready. Now let's start placing it. Here I've taken rice. Again, if you don't want rice you can skip it. Let's add in some salads which we have prepared on the sides. Next I'll be adding in the Greek dressing, which is a yogurt dressing which I've added, and then I'll start placing our juicy chicken tenders, and that's it. Our super simple, super easy, high protein Greek chicken the rice bowl is ready. Here as I said, it's completely, you can vary, you can play around the veggies, seasonings, completely up to your choice. Please note the measurement and the descriptions are on the screen, and if you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy. Please do support, and if you like it, please don't forget to comment below. Enjoy.